Hey, what's going on? My name is Alex and I'm a mobile mechanic in Los Angeles area. Today I'll show you how to program the tailgate height on your Land Rover. This method will work for all Land Rovers equipped with power tailgate. So let me show how to do it. First of all, we need to open the tailgate. Then adjust it manually. Let's do that height. And then hold the button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep. Then just close the tailgate. Let's check it out. It works. If you didn't know that tip, let me know in comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Please thumbs up, it really helps to my channel. Subscribe for more Land Rover videos, and thank you. Have a good day.